Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the watch itself is ready. Update Watch OS and keep battery above half so you won't interrupt the process. Once done, turn on Wi-Fi or cellular so the watch can check network time and time zone data. Next, press the digital crown and open settings. That's where you control the watch independently of an iPhone. Make sure location services are enabled if you want automatic time zone adjustments. You'll now change how the watch displays time without altering actual system time. Go to Settings, tap Clock, and choose the minutes offset you want. The dial lets you pick from 0 to 59 minutes ahead. This adjusts only the face display so alarms, timers, and world clocks still use the correct time. Use short increments to test what looks right. Once set, glance at the face to confirm the offset matches your intended lead time. Finish by checking world clock entries and alarms to ensure they behave correctly. Remember, the offset only affects the watch face. If the displayed time still seems off, restart the watch to force a network time refresh and reconnect to Wi-Fi or cellular. If problems persist, update Watch OS, toggle location services and time zone settings, and try again. As a last resort, contact Apple support. There may be a configuration or hardware issue preventing correct time updates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.